Top 10 Health Benefits of Apples You Need to Know. Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable information on health and wellness. You may have heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," but have you ever wondered why? In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 health benefits of apples that you need to know. So, grab an apple and let's get started. Number 10. Promotes digestive health. Apples are packed with dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Number 9. Boosts immune system. Apples are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which are essential for a robust immune system. Regular consumption of apples can help ward off common illnesses and keep you feeling your best. Number 8. Supports heart health. The soluble fiber found in apples helps reduce cholesterol levels in the body, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the antioxidants present in apples help protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to heart-related issues. Number 7. Enhances brain function. Apples contain antioxidants that help protect brain cells from oxidative damage. They also promote the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter vital for memory and cognitive function. Number 6. Aids in weight loss. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect snack for weight management. The high fiber content keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Number 5. Improves lung health. Research suggests that the antioxidants found in apples can help protect the lungs against oxidative damage and reduce the risk of respiratory conditions such as asthma. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. The natural sugars in apples are accompanied by fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making apples a great option for individuals with diabetes. Number 3. Supports bone health. Apples contain minerals like calcium and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. These minerals contribute to bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 2. Fights cancer. Apples are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including lung and colorectal cancer. Number 1. Promotes oral health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, which helps reduce the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. The natural fiber content in apples also helps scrub away plaque buildup on teeth. And there you have it, the top 10 health benefits of apples. Incorporating this delicious fruit into your daily diet can provide you with an array of health advantages. So, don't forget to include apples in your grocery list next time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any favorite apple recipes or other health benefits you'd like to share.